Charlene and I have been looking around for a new grill to go with the base camp. And while we've used grills from, Coleman and Charbroil and things, what we've decided is we wanted something that looked a little nicer. The Airstream's a great looking unit. It's a shame to bring it down with a less than great grill. But it's got to meet the needs too. There's just the two of us, so we're not looking for anything large. As we were looking at boats and boating equipment, we ran across Magma. Now we've got Magma cookware and we love it. So when we thought about their grills, we said, let's check it out. According to Magma, the BeachFire grill is designed for today's griller who doesn't want to substitute quality for cost. It's made out of mirrored polished stainless, same as their units that are designed for the boats. Has a balanced hinged head, it locks, folding legs, really a small compact unit. Still has over 100 square inches of grilling space. Uses the little 1 pound tanks you can pick up anywhere, which is great. Don't have to worry about refilling huge propane tanks, but I can also still use my hose and my 20-pound tank that I carry should I wish to. Great combination. What I thought I'd do today is let's take a look. I just got it in yesterday. Let's open the box and see what we come with. All right, I'm gonna move these fuel canisters out of the way. Let's see what's in the box. Well, like everything, it should come with instructions, and this one does. And, believe it or not, they're clear. Can you see it? Concise. Look like they're pretty easy to use. Let's take this out of the box. I've got to believe this is pretty intuitive. Well packaged. You've got some extra screws. Looks like the regulator's here. Get it out of our bag here. Safety note, warning, don't put it over your head. It's a shame they have to say that. There's the folding legs. Looks like the grease trap is right there. One of the things we liked about it was the idea of the locking lid. So it won't flop open. Hinge stays open, doesn't fall off. Looks like it'll be easy to clean. Parts come out of it easily. And one of the things I do also notice, it's got the heat diverter in here. Comes off with a cotter pin, so that'll also be easy to clean. Let's check out that regulator and see how easy that's going to be to use. Comes right out of the packaging. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got the groove here, so you can line that up internally. You'll feel when it catches in. There it catches, goes on. Then we'll take one of the bottles and just screw it on. I'm not going to do that in the house, of course. And it looks like it'll be quick and easy to use. Now, it does not have electric start, or what do they call it? piezo electric start. We'll have to use a lighter. No big deal. We should have one of those available anyways. But cleanup should be easy. Putting it away, just as easy. Locking it down for transport. We have on order, which is due in today or tomorrow, a small bag for it that'll carry everything together, including the bottles. I think the bag's only $39. We found this on sale, on the 4th of July sale, for only $69. Now, they've got an updated model of this, because this was the one only used for the beach, called the Trailmate, part of their Connoisseur gas grill series. And the only difference on it is they changed the legs and they changed the grease trap, and it makes it convertible for use on boats as well. This one, once again, is not for boats. This is for shore use only. So we're going to take this out. We're going to give it a try. We'll put up another video and we'll see what we can cook on it. Looks like it should be just big enough for the two of us, which is exactly what we're looking for. Easy to store in the truck. Thanks, everyone. We'll let you know how it works out. Have a great day.